lighthouse or bakery, early morning light. An orange tabby cat with bright amber eyes, a white-tipped tail, and a small notch in one ear. His fur is short and sleek with classic tiger-like stripes, and his nose is a soft pink. He wears a slightly frayed blue collar with a tiny brass bell that jingles when he moves. His expression is always a mix of curiosity and mischief, and he walks with the confident swagger of a seasoned adventurer. The cat sits on a windowsill overlooking a quaint seaside village with a lighthouse in the background, bathed in morning light. Finding the old map in the attic. Dusty, mysterious atmosphere. The same orange tabby cat with classic features is in a dusty attic lit by a single beam of sunlight. He's uncovering an old treasure map from an open chest surrounded by cobwebs and old books. Talking to the wise owl in a moonlit tree. Magical and mysterious forest. The orange tabby cat sits on a branch next to a wise old owl. The moonlight filters through the trees, casting a magical glow. The cat looks intrigued, ears perked forward. Crossing a rickety bridge over a ravine. Tense moment, action-focused. The orange tabby cat carefully walking across a swaying rope bridge high above a forest ravine. His white-tipped tail is raised for balance. His amber eyes show focus and bravery. Meeting a nervous crab on the beach. Comical and bright setting. The cat stands on a sunny beach, looking curiously at a nervous red crab hiding behind a shell. The cat's bell jingles as he tilts his head, playful expression. Reaching the cliffside cave. Dramatic lighting, adventure feel. The cat stands boldly at the entrance of a dark cliffside cave. Waves crash below, and wind tussles his sleek fur. He stares into the darkness with determination, solving the riddle and discovering the treasure. Warm, glowing tones. The orange tabby cat sits beside a glowing chest inside the cave, surrounded by ancient carvings. The treasure glows softly, reflecting in his amber eyes. Returning home with treasure that helps the village. Joyful scene with villagers. The cat walks proudly to the village square. Villagers, animals, or humans around him celebrating. The cat carries a small artifact in his mouth or tied to his collar. Resting in his favorite spot, gazing at the horizon. Peaceful closing shot. The orange tabby cat lies curled up on a windowsill or dock at sunset. His eyes half closed, the sea in the distance. A faint smile of contentment on his face.